Just this morning, here, on my birthday celebration, I expressed those my friend who who really seriously thinking about my birthday, and at the same time wishing or also prayer for my long life. So I mentioned best gift for me on birthday, please keep your own mind, your own heart more compassionate, more spirit of seriously or genuinely sense of concern of others' well-being. And with that motivation, if possible, serve other, helping other people, also other animal. If you do not have the opportunity to serving, then at least restrain harming them. So all my friends and actually brothers and sisters, please keep in your mind, rest of your life, more compassionate life. Then that's the best present of my birthday.